Changing mag.
I hear the thunder rolling as the storm draws near. Boots on the ground and I got no fear when the sky turns black and the shadows fade. I rise again, I'm a Warzone renegade. Every step that I take in the dust and smoke, every shot, every breath, every word I spoke. This battleground's home, it's where I was made. I'm forged in fire, a Warzone renegade.
Last mag.
Renegade.
Last mag.
Full speed on the plate on my chest. That's the road I bleed. There's a squad on my back. I attack, no slack. If they push on my zone, I'ma send them right back. Heartbeat sensor loading every clip. I'm a problem in the shadows when the lights all dip. No campers in my lane. I race that game. If you stand in my path, you remember my name. Strike, but I don't run scared. I reload in the fire like I'm fully prepared. This is Warzone land where the brave get paid, and I run these streets like a renegade. Hold on tight when the bullets fly. We're the fighters.
Changing mag.
Refuse to die. Raise that banner, never fade. We stand tall as the Warzone renegade. When the smoke clears out and the dawn's displayed, we remain. Yeah, the Warzone renegade. Warzone renegade.
Hey, I'm here to replace you.
Through the dirt, through the rain, through the hardest nights, I've been fighting for the ones who
I'm
lost
good.
the fights. When the world goes cold, I don't run, don't trade, I rise up. I'm a Warzone renegade. Hold on tight when the bullets fly. We're the legends who refuse to die. Raise that banner, never fade. We stand proud as the Warzone renegade. When the last shot falls and the map upgrades, we're still the Warzone renegade.